Number 4, power of a quotient rule. Dito naman sa power of a quotient rule, ang gagawin lang natin, so we have here quantity a over b raised to m. So we will just distribute m kay a and then kay b. So we have a raised to m over b raised to m. Okay? Now, let's have number 5, zero exponent rule. Here naman, sa zero exponent rule, so any base that is raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So, lahat ng base na naka-raise sa 0 ay equal lagi kay 1. So, 1 yan. Okay? So, next, number 6, negative exponent rule. So, dito naman sa negative exponent rule, so kapag yung variable or yung base is naka-raise kay negative exponent, so ang gagawin lang natin, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng base which is 1 over a, tapos yung negative na exponent gagawin na nating positive. So we have 1 over a raised to m.